Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of There Are Always Teacher Asking for Parents, chapter 52. So here it is. Let's read the story. Lucy Xiao and Xian went out. Right now, Xian is trying to explain to her. Teacher C, when I said that sentence just now, was not a teacher C either. Others can use my identity as a teacher to take me, but Lucy Xiao, you can't. Xian said to her. Now, looking at it, Xian, she looks really serious. Maybe. The words that Xian said right now, it really makes sense to Lucy Xiao. It said to her, I didn't mean that. Well, of course, right now. After seeing Xian on this state, Lucy Xiao suddenly became serious. She was looking at Xian. On the other hand, she moved closer to her. They really hugged each other. Well, at least right now. The two of them really understand each other, especially for Lucy Xiao. Suddenly, she became soft. Let's have a meeting first. Let's go back to the classroom. Lucy Xiao said to Xian. Xian said to her, Am I boring? Well, definitely. Xian, she's like a best actress at this moment. On the same day, on teacher's office, after the meeting, the math teacher flew away. But suddenly, right now, Xian, since the math teacher is really getting angry, also like being furious, Xian suddenly looked back to see what's happening. At this moment, it was Lucy Xiao, who's being taught by the math teacher how to discipline her children. Especially right now, the math teacher said so many things. It seems to be she's gonna cry. But right now, Xian, she moved closer to them just to hear what they doing. He said to her, Hey, how do you teach your children as a parent? My teacher is really questioning Lucy Xiao. This moment, it was this time. It's not good time to pass by. Just Lu Wei. And now she was approaching Xian. Lu Wei said, Teacher, why is Teacher Su looking for my mother? Now, she's asking Xian what's happening. Why suddenly the math teacher is calling her mother, and it seems that there's an argument. Xian said to her, Nyu, copying is not a solution to the problem. Xian is pertaining to test paper, same as her classmate. Right now, after hearing this, Wei suddenly paused. Look at her. Seems to be she knows something. Teacher C, I, suddenly Lu Wei become paused. Lu Xiao goes out on the room. Looking at her face, seems to be she is getting angry. Also right now, she looks really serious. When she look at them, Lu Xiao, her face is really red and it seems that she's gonna cry on the things that's happened. Well, Lu Wei, suddenly she got full of. Lu Xiao wants to go out so the two of them can go home. This is not good. Xian suddenly rushed through. Said to Lu Xiao, Stop. Right now, she's holding her hands. She's trying to stop her to went out. But Lu Xiao suddenly looked back, looking at Xian. Xian finally understands what's really happening on Lu Xiao. And she wants to try to coax her. It will not really gonna happen. Turns out Xian, she got left behind. And she can do anything about it. But just to let Lu Xiao take away Lu Wei and go back home. Finally, after a few minutes, Lu Xiao and Lu Wei finally returned back home. When Lu Wei was on the house, she was sitting on the chair. She looked down on herself. Well, how can she answer her mother about what's happening on the school? Now, Lu Xiao is looking at her. She was asking her, why did you copy it? Still, Lu Wei is not answering Lu Xiao. Instead, she continued to sob and she was really crying. So what's wrong with her? Why suddenly, well-behaved child, act like this in front of everyone? Shishao moved closer and said, "Why you're not speaking? And don't cry." But Lu Wei is still unstoppable. She continued to cry, even though Lu Shishao is asking her gently. Fur grades are temporary and can be improved slowly, but copying is a matter of principle. If I let it go when you are still young, it will definitely lead to another disaster in the future. Right now, Lu Wei said, "Mother Lu, grab something on the table." But Lu Shishao, you need to calm down, right? Lu Wei was still, don't know how to answer her. Still continue to cry. Well, how to coax her children. Yu, who has always been well behaved, did such a thing. Suddenly, Lu Shishao realized that Lu Wei is still sobbing. Lu Shishao said to herself, "My faith has been collapsed at this moment. It's like a heartbroken." But the two of them needs to calm down, especially Lu Shishao. She's been acting rashly. She don't want to let Lu Wei answer her first. Lu Shishao, she come back on her senses. It's my educations that failed. I'm not a qualified mother. Now she's putting the blame on herself. She is not being a good. But instead right now, Xian suddenly came in. Looking at Lu Shishao, it seems that her face is also red. Xian, Jojo, listen. Still, Xian can hurt. Always crying. Xian said to her, "Are you really willing to let her like this?" Now, since the saviors came in, Xian was really a hero for today. Now, she want to coax the daughter, and after, the mother. Xian said, "Why are you crying like this?" He was talking to Lu Wei. Well, definitely, she really likes Lu Wei. She really cares her, and she really treats her as her own daughter. Don't cry anymore. Your face will turn into a little cut. It doesn't even look good. Well, Xian, so she can stop crying. But until now, Xian is still there. Looking at Lu Shishao, she suddenly frozen, stood up, and she is not speaking. Well, probably she was waiting for the answer. Suddenly, Lu Shishao said to her, a high-pitched tone, "Xian, get out of my way." Now, she's trying to shoo away Xian also. Lu Wei is not the first offender. You can communicate well and, well, Xian, especially for Lu Wei. Let's see what will happen next. Hey guys, thanks for supporting. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you. Bye.